Hey guys, you want to see my duck? We got him. It's not mine. It's my duck. Okay. We're gonna play monkey in the middle, and well, let's get started. Stop. Okay, so I have the ball here. The monkey is my baby brother, and my brother is like right there if you cannot see him. Okay, so ready? And I might sound off because I'm a little sick, I think. I don't know if I have the cold or not.
You have to go as soon as you get it too. That's the challenge.
I almost got it. Sorry if you can't see him, I'll move a little. Whoa.
I get it!
Ah, you got it.
Okay. You're okay now.
I'm the monkey. Him, scoot a little over right here. Right there. Perfect.
Boy! I said right there! And then you're gonna get that.
If they cry, I'm sorry. They might start fighting. I don't know. They just stop like a lot of videos because of them. So yeah.
Sissy!
Where'd he go?
Get it!
Where is
Sissy!
it? Oh, I didn't know where it was. I didn't know where it was. Okay.
Dude! My God!
Don't block me.
I want that. Throw it. Get that. Taller than both of y'all.
Wait. You're not. John it. Whatever.
Travel.
My duck is gonna be quacking if you can't hear him. But you gotta hurry. It's about to end.
Where?